With your family or friends, if you go on Twitter, and then it's hashtag tweet Bluewater. Happy birthday, Hayley, wherever you are, Hayley. Anybody celebrating tonight? Yeah! Hello, Hayley, happy birthday to you. And also I've got to say hi to Sarah and her two kids, Josh and Hannah from Dartford. Have we got the Dartford Collective here tonight? Always the rowdy ones down there. Welcome to Bluewater Christmas Lights 2013. My name is Toby Anstis from Hart. Thank you for coming down here tonight. And everybody in the middle, give us a wave. And down the front, give us a wave. Jermaine's screamers are there, look, keep it nice and warm. Okay, just quickly, keep those tweets coming in as well. Hashtag tweet Bluewater, and I'll try and do your message tonight. Happy birthday, Jess, for tomorrow. She's going to be 15. Also, a quick shout to the...
Thank you for watching. More videos from Kent, England coming soon.